Hello, today, we're diving into the exciting world of Nissan's latest innovation. Get ready for the scoop on the next generation Nissan Interstar, the game changer in the light commercial vehicle, LCV, segment. I'm Lenny, and you're watching Automoto Network. Let's roll. Nissan is back with a bang, introducing the all-new Nissan Interstar, a van that's not just large, it's a technological marvel engineered to elevate your driving experience. What's the buzz? Well, it's Nissan's first large van with a 100% electric powertrain. Let's explore. From increased size to enhanced versatility, the Interstar is tailored to meet the diverse needs of businesses. With a design that exudes strength and reliability, it's a real powerhouse for everyday heroes on the move. Plus, it comes with Nissan's standard warranty, giving you peace of mind on every journey. But that's not all. The next generation Interstar offers a wide range of factory-built conversions, including tipper, drop side, and box van. It's a large van that adapts to your business, whether you need high cargo volume, long-distance driving capability, or heavy-duty hauling. The possibilities are endless. Whether you're a delivery service, construction crew, or any business in between, the Interstar has got you covered. It's not just a van, it's your perfect business companion. Now, let's talk about sustainability. The Interstar-e, Nissan's first fully electric large van, is designed for a more eco-conscious drive without compromising on performance. With an 87 kWh battery providing over 286 miles of range, it's a true champion of sustainable urban mobility. Rapid charging, depot charging, and compliance with urban policies, the Interstar-e is set to revolutionize the way businesses operate in eco-conscious cities. It's not just about driving, it's about driving change. Performance matters, and the next generation Interstar delivers. With class-leading aerodynamics, up to 20% drag reduction, and improved fuel efficiency, it ensures you get the most out of every drive. Whether you go for the electric version or the traditional diesel, efficiency is at the core. Wider side doors, longer load area, and impressive payload capacity, the Interstar has leveled up in every aspect. It's not just about moving goods, it's about moving your business forward. Now, let's talk safety. The next generation Interstar doesn't compromise on your well-being. Equipped with advanced safety features like forward emergency braking, drowsiness warning, and trailer sway assist, it ensures you're protected on the road. Nissan is dedicated to keeping you safe and secure. With cutting-edge safety technologies, you can focus on what you do best, driving your business to success. And there you have it, folks. The next generation Nissan Interstar, a van that's not just a vehicle, it's a partner in your business journey. Stay tuned for pre-sales opening in Q2 2024 and sales starting in Q4 2024. This is Lenny signing off. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned to Automoto Network.